Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. If you guys haven't already, please smash the like button, please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys have a comment, an opinion about this video, or if you guys did fix your problem, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know how you guys did it or what was causing your issue. Now, if you guys have this problem, there's a good chance you guys probably have a check engine light on your dash. And if you guys know what the code is to look it up, you guys probably an OBD-II scanner, you guys plugged it in and this code probably came up. All right, we're gonna go through what causes it, how you guys can fix it, and what you guys can do as far as figuring out, diagnosing exactly what's causing this problem. Now, if you guys have fixed the problem or found out what the issue is, if you guys have any comments, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you guys did as far as helping your cause to fix the issue, and you might help other people as well who are in this particular situation. So let's just talk about this.
The P0025 code indicates an issue with the camshaft position timing on bank 2, specifically that the exhaust camshaft is over-retarded. This means the camshaft is not rotating at the correct speed and position relative to the crankshaft, which can cause a variety of problems. Here's a more detailed breakdown of what P0025 means and potential causes. What P0025 means. Over-retarded. The camshaft is rotating slower than it should be, essentially lagging behind the crankshaft. Bank 2. This refers to the cylinder bank that is typically on the passenger side of the engine. Exhaust camshaft. The camshaft that controls the exhaust valves in the engine. Possible causes. Faulty camshaft position actuator, CPA. The actuator controls the camshaft timing, and if it's faulty, it can't adjust the timing properly. Wiring issues. Damaged or shorted wiring to the CPA can prevent it from functioning correctly. Oil pressure issues. Low or dirty oil can affect the actuator's ability to adjust timing. Engine control module, ECM, problems. If the ECM is faulty, it may not be sending the correct signals to control the CPA. Camshaft position sensor failure. If the sensor is faulty, it might send incorrect data to the ECM, leading to incorrect timing adjustments. Variable valve timing, VVT, system issues. Problems with the VVT system components, such as the oil control valve, can also cause P0025. Symptoms of P0025. Check engine light. The P0025 code will trigger the check engine light on the dashboard. Poor engine performance. The engine may run rough, hesitate, or stall. Excessive fuel consumption. The engine may not be burning fuel efficiently, leading to higher fuel consumption. Stalling or hesitation. The car may stall or hesitate, especially during acceleration or at idle. Troubleshooting and repair. Verify the code. Ensure that the P0025 code is still present after clearing it. Visual inspection. Check the VVT system components, wiring, and connections for any damage or issues. Pinpoint tests. Follow manufacturer-specific diagnostic procedures to isolate the problem. Oil change. Change the engine oil to the correct viscosity. OCV cleaning/replacement. Clean or replace the camshaft oil control valve if necessary. CPA replacement. If the CPA is faulty, it needs to be replaced. Cam phaser replacement. In some cases, the camshaft phaser may need to be replaced.